God have mercy upon us.
Place your bottle on the ground, then you mount your camera on a tripod. Remember you are using a landscape mode, alright? After that, you record an empty background for a few seconds or few minutes, alright? Then after recording that now, you walk in. Then you do as if you are observing something. Look at it. After that, you just make a jump. Then you stand there for a few seconds or few minutes, alright? After that, then you can now walk out, alright? You are coming back here, just walk out now. You are coming back, just go and change your clothes, that is if you want to. Then after that, you move in for the second time. What you want to be doing now is you still observe the bottle. Something is inside this bottle. Then you do as if you carry the bottle. Carry it gradually. So you carry it now. You can now observe it for a few seconds or minutes. Then you do every other thing you want to do. Then after that, you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut. New project, import your video to workspace, click on your video and locate volume, click on volume now, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back, mark out an empty background we are using for this video. Before you walk out, we are going to be clicking on the video now, make a split, you keep scrolling, just scroll before you walk out again. Make another split here, then you keep scrolling again. Before you move out again for the third time, you'll make another split, click on the center one and delete it. We don't need it again. So at this point you click on this one and look for overlay. Go and look for overlay. So click on the middle part, click on overlay now, click on it and drag it to the beginning of the video, guys. So drag it now, you come back and click on it now, go and look for remove BG, locate remove BG, click on remove BG, auto removal, allow it to remove completely. Look at it there, it's applying. So allow it to remove completely. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? Yes, we are still on removing BG. As I welcome you back to the tutorial, you can see it's still removing, okay? Now it has removed completely. Mark on this good and go back. So at this point, you scroll to this point, alright? So immediately you jump up now. As you jump up now, you click on the video, then you make a split, okay? You add your keyframe, look at keyframe there. Then you adjust the video a little bit. Then you move the character from the up sideways, move him from the up. You adjust a little bit again, then you drag it down, then you crumple that character and put the character inside that bottle. Crumple the character, you can see what I am doing. Crumple the character and put the character inside that bottle, okay? After crumpling it, let us play it and see what we have got. After making your necessary adjustment, you play it to see what we have got in case if there is mistake. Alright, so make your necessary adjustment now, then you come and play the video. Let's play it to see what we have got. All right, let's see. Good, this jumping is okay. So at this point you click on it, click on this layer you worked on. As you click it, you go and look for duplicate, because the video did not get to the end, so you duplicate it. Look at duplicate here, duplicate it, then you mark it now and mark out this point you worked on. Make a split, delete this middle part here, delete it, click on this one and align it with this. It still has not gotten to the end. We are still going to be duplicating it again. You click here, you go and look for duplicate again. Okay, we want the video to play to the end, so we duplicate it again. At this point it has gotten to the end, so you come back now. Look at what we are going to be doing. All right, allow the video to play, allow the video to play. Look at this point. Good. So as it plays small now, you are going to be seeing the second part of the video. That is the part you come to. Look at it. Look at it. Immediately you want to carry this button now. That is when we are going to be doing other jobs. Stop here, then you click on the video, click on it now. So as you are lifting the bottle, you are adjusting the character to make sure that the character is still inside the bottle. Okay, so gradually, don't rush. Don't rush. This is where you have work to do. So as you are lifting this bottle, okay, you are adjusting the character. Just follow the same step, follow what I am doing. Look at what I am doing. As you are lifting the bottle, you are adjusting the character to make sure that this character is still inside this bottle. If you don't do that, the character will be another place, will be elsewhere, while the bottle will be separate. So just follow this step so that both the character and the bottle will play together. So as you are lifting this bottle, you are adjusting the character to make sure that this character is inside this bottle. Okay, at this point we are going to be making it fast. We are going to be fast forwarding it because we don't want this video to be too long. Okay, but just follow what I am doing. I'm going to be showing you the we just want to fast forward it. We don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so look at it. All right, so you follow it gradually. Even when you are turning, you turn with it. Look at it, you turn with the character. As you are turning, you are adjusting the character to make sure that the character remains inside the bottle. Okay, follow the same example as I am showing you. All right, after that, now after adjusting it, after the whole work, we are going to be playing the video. So here you stop here. Let's play it from the beginning and see what we have got. Just calm down and watch the video. As you are playing it, if there are any mistake or there is any mistake, you calm down to make your necessary adjustments and correct your mistakes. Okay, so we are watching the video now to see whether there is any mistake there. All right, look at you have walking, looking in surprise. Something is inside this bottle. So as you are lifting it, look at you now inside that bottle. Look at you again, still carrying the same bottle. This is called magic. All right, you can try it at the comfort of your own home. All right, you can see what I've just shown you. You can do your own, follow the same example, and you are going to get the same result. All right, so at this point now, I feel and I think that the video is ready, but there is something we need to do. All right, allow the video to play to the end so that we remove the unwanted parts of the video. Look at this point now. You want to be clicking it to make a split. All right, click on the downside, make a split, delete this part, click on the other one and delete it as well. So at this point, I feel, I think, and I believe that this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is for you to add your sound effect, add your light effect, and every other effect as the case may be. And after that, you can now export and share your video to social media handles. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those effects. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, My number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I will put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now share your video to your social media handles, all right? But there's another thing you need to understand in this video. Remember, you use Auto Remove BG, which is a pro features, and you're not a pro member. If you try to export this video now, cannot be able to export it, but don't worry, we have got you covered, okay? In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Just go and watch that video. You will learn how to export your video with ease, and after that, you will now export your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles, okay? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell, click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? Yes, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.